What's going on, fam? It's your boy Gator back with another vlog. On this here vlog, I'm gonna be dropping some content I had stored away. I told y'all I should have been dropped, and y'all hit me in the comments, said y'all wanted it, so I'm finna put it out. It is Street Rod National in Louisville, Kentucky. This is the 2023 Street Rod National. I'm gonna be dropping this footage, came from my uncle. I wanna let him know I appreciate him for getting this footage for me, Uncle Reginald. Yeah, so this is, I think, his second year going. So it was almost like a car show, car meet at one of the guys' houses, which they have some pretty nice builds on here. They have a clean short bed on here. They have a, look like a 55 Belair LS swap. So it's some nice builds on here. Hopefully y'all like this footage. Like I say, I should have been dropped it, but I didn't. And if y'all are new to the channel, make sure y'all hit that like button. It's free. It's not gonna stop the video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button also. It's free. It's not gonna stop the video. And hit that notification bell so y'all be notified when I'm dropping these vlogs. And hopefully y'all like it. Y'all got off in the comments on one of my recent videos where I told y'all I had footage. And I say, I don't know if I should put it out or should I, not should I? And y'all told me to drop it. So here it is. And like I say, thanks to my uncle. Let him know I appreciate him for getting this footage. And yeah, hopefully y'all like it. Thanks. Stay tuned.
Electric back window go down. Nice that.
Okay, yep, they both went to Korea. And, okay, I didn't know that.
Seville made 500 of them. This is the owner of Cadillac Connoisseur.
You know our neighbor? He's got a classic truck. Yeah, he pulled it out. When I was pulling the truck over the car. No. I didn't talk to him.
matching numbers on that. Matching numbers on that. Oh my God. Do you think matching numbers has lost a little? Yeah. Nope. That's what they do. Tell me more. Tell me more. They don't. Anybody can charge for it. Anybody can do the LS. Okay. Anybody can do that. So now you're talking about that.